So I will be talking on the fruits which are available in Goa in plenty and we are not processing. Now processing industry is very important, secondary agriculture that is, and Government of India has come out with many schemes under ODOP, that is one district one product, and jackfruit has been identified as a fruit for North Goa and South Goa it is coconut. आमी कितें करता फक्त आमच्या गोंयांत आमकां जॅकफ्रूट खबर आसा फक्त आमी भाजी खाता जावं आमी कोंकणीन सांगलें जाता न्ही सगळ्यांक भाजी खाता नाल्यार आमी चडशी कितें करता आमचे हिंदूगेर आमी खतखतें करता त्या खतखत्यान घालता नाल्यार एट द मोस्ट आमी साठां करतात सगळ्यांक खबर आसा नाल्यार आमी करता ते धोणस म्हणजे वीथ रवा आमी मेक दॅट केक बट वीथ जॅकफ्रूट यू कॅन मेक मोर दॅन 80 आयटम्स कळ्ळें न्ही तातूंत प्रत्येक जॅकफ्रूट इज ऑल्सो कन्सिडर एज अ कल्पवृक्ष लायक कोकोनट ताजें कांयच वेस्ट जायना ताजे लिव्स आसा ताजे आमी दोणे करपाक जाता ताज्यो पत्रावळी कर जाता ताजे जे खोड आसता पळय मदली हें आसता बार्क आसता ताजे आमकां विणा करपाक जाता वाजयतात ती सरस्वतीच्या हातान गॉडेस ऑफ विजडम वॉट शी इज युजींग दॅट इज मेड आउट ऑफ फणस कळ्ळें न्ही अशें कांयच ताजें तशें आमकां फर्निचर करपाक जाता पणसाचें आणि fruit as such it is the biggest fruit among all the fruit and it is a wonder fruit it is versatile just like potato it goes with any vegetable how we are mixing potato with cluster bean potato with french beans like that jackfruit can go with any vegetable and it tastes also good. Now to talk about nutrition point of view this jackfruit is having potassium is also having a fiber and it is very good for colon cancer. Now lot of research has been done on these fruits and you must have seen on TV आमच्या प्रायम मिनिस्टरान पावडर रिलीज केला in the hands of prime minister from Kerala one person has patented that jackfruit bulb powder अश्यो ताज्यो खुबश्यो युजीस आसा right from tender stage to ripe stage. At the tender stage what we do, tender stage we just cut the vegetable and make sabzi. That also we can keep it, process it, we can keep it for 2 to 3 days and like Delfinos and all are there, no, these malls nowadays all mall technology. So you can sell it through malls and get some money of tender jackfruit also. The next stage is mature stage. In mature stage we can take the bulbs, dry it, make it into powder. That powder you can drink it even when if you have diabetes, even for colon cancer you can drink that 1 teaspoon, put in hot water, stir it and drink. Or you can make many products out of this jackfruit bulb powder. You can make cake, you can use as a replacement for corn flour. Corn flour is just starch. Whereas jackfruit is having lot of nutrition compared to corns. So we can replace that corn flour with this jackfruit bulb powder. Then you can make biscuits out of that corn bulb powder. Then you can make, I have got some products here which I have made. You can see afterwards, this is jackfruit bulb powder. It is just looking like besan. Then we have jackfruit seed powder. भिकणां आमी कितें करता चडशीं पयलींच्या काळान कितें करताले भिकणां काडटाले आनी ताका माती बिती लावन दवरताले बट दॅट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इफ यू वॉश इट थरली नायसली ड्रायड यू कॅन पुट इट इन एअर टायट दिस थिंग एंड कीप इन द फ्रीज or you can make it into powder which can be used in any other आटास which you are making it for making bhakri like नाचण्याचें पीठ तातूंत इल्लेशें घालपाक जाता because this is also having lot of energy even it is having a fiber seeds even you can make biscuits out of this or you can make nutrition mix that is for children with ragi then the seed powder and jackfruit bulb powder all three powders can be mixed and you can make nutrition mix out of that. Yes bulb म्हणजे गरें ताका बल्ब म्हणटात सॉरी आं गरें ना सोलता पळय आमी पणस फोडटा न्ही इवन वेन इट इज फुल्ली मॅच्युअर कापो पणस आसता जावं रसा सुद्दां पिकच्या पयलीं ताजे ते अशे जे फ्लॅप्स आसता पळय तातूंत भितर गरो आसता न्ही तो गरो काडपाचो प्रत्येक गरो आनी तो गरो काडून ताजे भितरले भिकणूय काडपाचें ताजे 2 कुडके करपाचे उदक मातशें स्लायटली लूक वॉर्म करपाचें तातूंत 1 टीस्पून सॉल्ट घालपाचें आनी हे घरे एकूच 2 मिनटां 2 ते 3 मिनटां दवरून मागीर ड्राय कर बट फॉर अस वी आर ड्रायींग इट इन हॉट एअर ओवन फॉर यू इट वील इफ यू आर ड्रायींग इट इन द सन नो इट यू शूड सी दॅट इट डजंट रिमेन जस्ट लायक दॅट बिकॉज इट कॅन गेट स्पॉयल्ड सो इट्स बेटर टू ड्राय इट इन द हॉट एअर ओवन so that within 2-3 hours it gets dry. And if you after dehydration is removing the full water, if you want to make sabzi in the month of September October then तुमकां पणस मेळना न्ही हे जर तुमी बरे असल्या पिशवेन घालून पॅक करून दवरले ड्राय करून तेच गरे तूं भायर काड आनी मातशें उदक गरम कर तातूंत ते 5 मिनटां बुडत दवर ते आपुणूच नॉर्मल गरे कशे जाता यू अंडरस्टँड वॉट आय टेल So then you can again use for bhaji. No, this is drying. No need of keeping in the fridge. Fully dry it is. It remains nicely. Last year I did, this year I showed. Yesterday only Home Science College student. It was just like normal, like as if we have taken it just 8 days back and it comes to the normal like gara. You can make Manchurian also out of it. We are making now flower gobi Manchurian. Mushroom Manchurian, त्यापेक्षा jackfruit Manchurian is very tasty. Anybody can try at home. You go, take this mature bulbs, cut it, slit it like chips how we make these French fries. Take capsicum, onion, ginger garlic paste, what you use for Manchurian, same thing you have to use. It tastes very nicely. आता ते बल्ब आसता पळय आपले घरे आसता पळय मॅच्युअर ताजे आमकां कितलेशेच करूंक जाय बल्ब पावडर करपाक जाता ताजे मंचुरियन करूंक जाता ताजी भाकरी करपाक जाता ताजे तुमकां भजी करपाक जाता आमी कितें करता कोणी आतां देवाच्या आमच्या हिंदूच्या घरांनी वी आर नॉट युटिलायझींग अवर रिसोर्सीस आमी बटाट हाडटा बटाट इज नॉट कल्टिवेटेड इन गोवा बट वी आर बायींग एंड मेकींग बटाट्याची भाजी ऑल द टायम कोण हिंदूगेरे आसता म्हणजे चडशे लोक बटाटे प्रिफर करता बट इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट दीस जॅकफ्रूट इज गूड यू कॅन मेक भाजी ऑल्सो एंड यू कॅन मेक भजियाज आमी कितें करता शिवराक आसता आमचें जेवण तेन्ना आमी बटाटाचे हाडटा कापां करता भजी तळटा इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट यू मेक ऑफ जॅकफ्रूट सो मेनी युजीस आर देर यू कॅन मेक पापड ऑल्सो यू कॅन मेक वर्मिसिली आय वॉज शोईंग दीस वर्मिसिली शेवयो आसता पळय आमी कित्याच्यो करता गव्हाच्यो करता आनी तांदळाच्यो करता जावं नाचण्याच्योय करता आमी आतां कितें आसा नेक्स्ट इयर इट इज गोईंग टू बी एन इंटरनॅशनल मिलेट इयर आता कितें जालां इन इंडिया वॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड ऑल द डिजीजीस स्ट्रेस रिलेटेड डिजीजीस दॅट इज डायबिटीज ओबेसिटी हार्ट प्रॉब्लेम्स हे सगळे वाडिल्ले आसा ताका लागून लोकांक कितें जालां लोकांनी वी आर फॉलोईंग मोर वेस्टर्नायज थिंग आय एम नॉट क्रिटिसायझींग दॅट बट अवर ट्रेडिशनल थिंग इज व्हेरी व्हेरी गूड एंड अवर डायट शूड बी बेस्ड ऑन वॉट इज अवेलेबल इन एंड अराउंड अस not something which has come from other places we are our body is adjusted to what is available so we should go for this traditional food उकडे तांदळाचे शीत उकडे तांदळाची भाकरी उकडे तांदळाची सान्नां उकडे तांदळाच्यो शेवयो करपाक जाता उकडे तांदळाचो पावडर करून ताजी भाकरी करपाक जाता अशे कितलेशेच आयटम करपाक जाता पण आमी कितें आसा न्ही आमचें आसा तें आमकां केन्नाय प्रत्येक मनशाक आपलें आसा तें आपल्याक बरें दिसना दुसऱ्याचें बरें दिसता and we are moving towards the thing where we are landing into problems but we have to come back and we have to do all this exercise to protect ourselves first our health is wealth so हे ताज्या पासून हे वर्मिसिली केल्ले आसा ते सुद्दां we can make उपमा out of it how we are making this उपमा वर्मिसिली उपमा गोड करता आमी जावं तिखट करता टोमाट कांदो बिनो घालून तशें करपाक There is another crop which is very important is coconut. कोकोनटाचे कितले जाणांनी आयकलां वर्जीन कोकोनट ऑयल Virgin coconut oil, how many of you have heard about virgin coconut? This is a premium product out of coconut and it is having lot of medicinal value. This we are having that in Krishi Vigyan Kendra. We have a unit where this oil is processed. We are doing by hot process. Actually there are two processes, one is hot and one is cold. But in Goa, because of humidity or coastal areas, hot process is best, because if some moisture is this thing attacks this oil, it gets rancid. But if you reduce this moisture up to 0.1 level, it can last even for 1 year. This Alzheimer, Parkinson, and third one is thyroid problem, which is very common nowadays, especially for ladies after 45. We are having hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. This acts because this acts on our metabolism, which helps in turn to improve our health. So this oil is having lot of medicine. Even it is having antifungal and antiviral properties. Even during corona time, I don't know if anybody has done research on that, but I tried myself. I didn't get corona. I was putting as a nasal drops. हे तेल आसा पळय नाकान घालताले एक ड्रॉप्स रातचे न्हिदतना, आनी रातचे न्हिदतना हांव इतलें तेल घेतालें आनी बकल कविटी हांगा लायतालें सगळ्याक, कळ्ळें न्ही. सो दॅट नथींग एंटर इनसायड. सो इट हॅज प्रूव्ड दॅट इट इज नॉट it is good for this also, corona. It is having antiviral properties. So this oil is the best among all the oils, and it is very costly because it is made out of 30 nuts. It is made out of fresh milk. We give the training there, and we are charging for 2 days. We are charging 1000 rupees. We are giving lunch. Then all this thing is taught. Then even byproducts are taught. Like this is the powder what residue remains. Then we show some chutney, then chocolate out of that khoa, coconut sugar, that is god, माडाचे god. असे वेगळे वेगळे प्रोडक्ट्स आम्ही कोकोनटाचे सुद्धा दाखयतात. आणि एक तिसरो इम्पॉर्टंट फ्रुट्स ऑफ गोवा इज कोकम. आमच्या गांवांनी कोकम जाता, बट वी डोंट नो द इम्पॉर्टन्स. बट इन अदर कंट्रीज दे जस्ट लव दीस कोकम because of hydroxycitric acid म्हणून आसता तातूंत, which helps in burning of fat in our body. आमी कितें करता, ते कोणाक डायबिटीज आसता ताका तांच्यानी साखर घालपाची ना, ताका मीठ घालूंक जाय, हींग घालूंक जाय, काला नमक घालूंक जाय न्ही, काला नमक म्हणून मेळटा न्ही, ब्लॅक सॉल्ट, दॅट ऑल्सो यू कॅन यूज. सो देन दॅट ऑल्सो वी विल शो यू टुडे. दॅट इज अनदर फ्रूट. देन आय वॉज शोईंग out of this. Now we will be showing you here some demonstration of, you can ask question at that time. We will show demonstration of jackfruit kebab. आता आमकां चिकन कबाब सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, मटन कबाब सगळ्यांक खबर आसा, जॅकफ्रूट कबाब खाला तुमी? सो टुडे लेट्स हॅव जॅकफ्रूट कबाब. ओके, देन आय शो नाव डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन. हे मातसो दिवपाक जाता. This is all about nutritious recipes. You can distribute. I didn't get much. Whatever I was having, I got it here. Then I was telling about this millet year. Next year it is going to be an international millet year. So we have to focus on all millets. आमच्या गोंयांत न्ही आमकां सगळें खबर आसता, नाचणें बिचणें बरें, पूण कोण खावपाक वचना. आतांच्या काळान हिंदूय खायना आनी कॅथलिकूय खायना. आमी कितें करता, फक्त एक तिजान आमकां खबर आसा, तितलेंच आमी करता. पण ताज्या पासून आमकां शेवयो करपाक जाता, ताज्या पासून लाडू करपाक जाता, ताज्या पासून चकऱ्यो करपाक जाता, ताज्या पासून सॅलड करपाक जाता. ताज्या खातीर ओल्ड एज जेरिएट्रीक न्यूट्रिशन म्हणटा ताका आमी, तांकां तें कोंब काडून जर ताजें आमी सत्व केलें न्ही, वी हॅव टू स्प्राउट दॅट अँड मेक इट इन टू पावडर. दॅट इज व्हेरी गुड, बेस्ट फॉर द जेरिएट्रीक. मिन्स जे ओल्ड एजीन जेवण बी वचना पळय, तांकां ते सारके ग्रुएल कशें करून दिलें न्ही, इट इज बेस्ट. सो दॅट ऑल्सो वी कंडक्ट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम देर. दीस इज अबाउट दॅट रागी रीच रेसिपीज. यू कॅन टेक दीज वन. And if anybody is interested in all this training, no, you can take my number, my mobile number, or you can come through your club is there, no, here, or you can contact me over phone. My number is 9860 597213. So now let's see the fruits we have got here already. We have got some jackfruit kebab we are going to show. For this jackfruit kebab, no, what we have done? No, we have taken half kg of jackfruit bulbs. म्हणजे घरे आणि मिक्सर असत नसत म्हणून खबर ना आम्ही ते सोमते वाटूनच हाडले. This is actually carpet. Yes, yes, you can make also. This is raw. Actually, we just kept in the fridge. We just boiled this also. Yesterday I was not there. This first. This now we while coming we boil like that. And this we made. How we made I will tell you. This is almost just it depends on the thickness of the bulb. You can keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. After boiling, no, you take onion. For half kg, you can take 2 onion, 3 to 4 green chilies, ginger garlic paste you get ready, or you can use 5 to 6 garlic pods and half inch of ginger. All these thing you nicely this thing on roast on the in oil little bit, and that you mix with this and grind it on the mixer to make it like this. So for now this I am going to add. This is that jackfruit bulb powder. Can you see it? There are two types of bulbs. Actually, in some corners, some varieties, we have this white color, and in some we have this yellow color. So this is the yellow one. Inside I am talking. Not ripe one. This is not ripe. घरे असता पळय ते एकदा धवे असता आणि एकदा अशे येल्लो असता. सो हाका आमी अशी व्हडले चड काय घालना. हो येल्लो आशिल्लो आणि हो ताजोच पावडर. After drying, you dry घरे. You put it in the dryer, you put it in the mixer, you can make this type of powder.
So how do you know which one yellow and white?
No, that unless you break that jackfruit, no you don't.
So it's only yellow, not white?
No, you can use any. This is more, it looks appealing. Whereas this doesn't look appealing. It depends, the taste price same.
That's of the seed and this is the fruit.
No, this is also fruit.
Yes.
Fruit only, this is also fruit only. Bulb means correct. You don't understand company? Okay. Then I will tell you in English, no problem. This is the bulb, means that is raw. I boiled it. Here also I boiled it. And then I took onion, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, and coriander leaves also we have added to this. So all that I put in this thing, kadai, nicely roasted, and put it in this and put on the mixer. Now this raw, or everything is powder also raw. Everything is raw.
That is of the hard one or the soft one?
Huh?
It is of the hard jackfruit or soft?
Hard. Hard and soft one also when they are mature, they are not ripe, they are hard only. So you can use any type for that.
And to make the powder, you boil the garlic first.
Yeah. No, for this making powder. Directly means just in 5 minutes you keep in the warm water and put it in the dry.
But which one, the raw one or the white?
Raw.
Everything raw.
Everything I am talking on raw now. This is will be of raw. Not dry has not come in the picture at all.
So do this with the rasa, because the kame is not right at you. With the baki. With the rasa, give it one rasa.
Now this is the... Yes, I got.
Powder the seed.
Yeah. See now this no instead of using this अच्छा घालचे पडटले मिला ना तू raw वगैरे. Instead of making into powder of this no corn flour, people are using corn flour, but corn flour is only starch, whereas in this jackfruit you can read I have given here nutritive value also for you. एक करून लांबडे कर हे आता तांच्यांनी वजन करून हाडून आमकां अशें कळटा तरी आसतना म्हाका दिसता एक कील कितें आसा कितले आशिल्ले फ्रूट 20-25 So now this is another, by the time she makes this, no, she has to make that and afterwards we'll try. We'll make all, सगळे राउंड करून दवरा राउंड नाही असे येयल्या मातशें लाय ताका ते आनी These are kebabs. Meat value, Momina?
We can help.
Yeah, you can help, sure.
Go wash your hands. It has to be fried or just as it is?
No, right.
Just after frying.
Yeah, you can make like
That's
that.
rubber.
You can give any shape for kebab. You can make small kebab, you can make big
Also, see,
kebab,
this
you can make square kebab and that with straw and put all this like chicken, you can put capsicum, you can put carrot.
कितना केला रवा?
It is all your creation,
रवा.
creativity. It is our own creativity. Only I have to give you idea so that you can do more better than me.
Can
This
we,
is only I am telling. This thing can be done.
Can
You
we-
can do many things.
Can we dehydrate jackfruit?
Yes, yes,
What we
I
did
told,
is
no?
We took a lot of this and we dehydrated
Yes, yes. You can do.
yesterday,
Yes.
and then we are trying to regenerate it.
Yes, yes. I also did that same
So,
thing.
okay.
Last years I did dehydration.
Okay.
I showed yesterday Home Science College students were there. It was excellent after 1 year. We made jackfruit chili with capsicum. There is no difference in taste. Dehydration is only the best.
And what
Rather
can you do
than
with the
just
seeds?
freezing it, no, when we freeze it, that moisture enter inside. It becomes more soaky.
Right.
Whereas when you do this way, dry it, you can just keep it for 5 minutes in hot water.
Right.
Then it gets that normal this thing, and you can immediately make.
Yeah. That's right.
So that is the best.
And how long can it be stored?
It can be stored for 1 year. I stored for 1 year. Last jackfruit season I made. This season I took it out.
One more lady is required.
No, ते करता नाही.
And
The lady from the
I can do too.
My shape will be totally different.
This one is for you, aren't it? Big one for you.
Best in Southeast Asia.
It's hard to find the market.
In the market, they sit there in front of you, they cut. Give you a piece, they take a not seed.
Because it's hard to cut
They
away.
sit and they clean in front of you also, you can wait.
Yes.
Go and see. We have seen enough. I got enough at home. I got enough at home. Then it goes to the top.
It's a little more slimy now. Yes, yes.
Slips in the range amount. Slips in the amount.
Ragi pepper and red cutlet for ragi we have this for ragi.